all your video responses. It's so awesome. I watch all of them all the time. And I want to tell you that, no, I haven't changed. I'm just, same. I haven't changed at all. I'm actually just in pajamas right now, hanging out at my house. And, yeah, I think that, I don't, hopefully I will never change. I think that, you have a really good point in, sometimes people in this business do get to a certain point and they, when they get successful, they do change. But I'm a pretty grounded person. I worked really hard to get to where I am. And hopefully, that'll always, my family's really supportive and great. And I hopefully will always, stay the same and be, same Ashley. So thank you so much. That was a really touching video. And just keep watching because I'm actually supposed to come to England soon. So hopefully I'll be able to meet you there. And it was really, really great video. So